Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Threads of Fate's new oracle, the Odyssey Oracle. I am so excited because I was privy to their Kickstarter campaign that this was included in, so I am so excited to get into this. This retails for $78 in the US, and as always in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And their decks are independently published as well. The journey stretches on the side there, and then into the boundless expanse we go. This is also a magnetic enclosure here. And on the back it says, The Odyssey, A Hero's Journey Oracle, with 44 cards, full color printing with spot UV, matte black edges, and a 190-page booklet. The packaging is beautiful. Oh, look at that. Here's the book with the ribbon. And then, oh, it's felted in here. Okay. There's the bottom of the box. Well done. That packaging is beautiful. So before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook. Ah, so exciting. We do have a table of contents. Yes. All right. A page for each card. So when should I use this deck instead of another? We recommend using this deck to reflect on your internal work or your various undertakings in life. This deck has a journey woven into it. It is in order, but the order may differ for you. It is meant to show you where you are at in your journey with something and offer guidance on how to move through it. So how is it different than a tarot deck? While the tarot also follows a structure and a journey, the Odyssey was made with the internal in mind. The external world offers us the opportunity to do internal work, but we wanted to make a deck that is only focused on the internal world and the journey through it. Why choose the Odyssey for guidance? If you are someone who is devoted to the path of transformation, you will love the Odyssey. Unlike many other Oracle decks, it is not very soft. What it is, however, is a friend on your journey. It is what you can turn to when you feel alone, unsure, and powerless. It is a reminder that you will always triumph if you keep showing up. How is this deck different from your others? This deck follows a specific journey, whereas our other Oracle decks do not. There is a level of precision with this deck, while the Threads of Fate Oracle tends to be more affirmative and nurturing. All right, I'm more excited now. So we do have spreads. We have the Odyssey, which is 3 cards. Dark Passages, which is 4, the Initiation, which is 5, and then it goes into the cards. Very cool. So all full color. Awesome. Okay. Cool. We'll go deeper with that after the flip through here. So I'm going to take this wrapping off. All right, move you in closer here. Look at that. That's so pretty. And then there's the black edges. Let's talk cardstock. Yes, it is on the thicker side, sturdy, but it snaps back. I'm sure it'll shuffle just fine. Okay, so we have the number at the corner and we have the title down below. We have a thin border that has a little bit of that gildedness on it too. So pretty. Ugh. I love the color, the lighting. So cool. Ooh. Yeah, I get the feeling that this deck is not something that like minces words. Like it seems very, it cuts to the point. Oh, that's cool. Ooh. This art style is really cool. Very pretty. Ooh. It's currently raining as I'm filming this, so if you hear like little pings or fun thudding, it's the rain. It says seeds. Ooh, sever. That's gorgeous. Avawall? That's gorgeous. Yeah, this is quite the different deck. I'm really excited to get into the guidebook. Ooh. Oh, that's really pretty. Ooh. Oh, wow. It says cave. Aw. Wow. All right. Let's see how it shuffles. Not bad. I'm not having an issue with bending it. Some people like to bend and bridge their cards. Some people don't. I'm just kind of trying it out for you guys. Oh, that one really wanted to come out. Okay. Just so you guys get an idea for the kind of cardstock. But yeah, I'm not having an issue shuffling it. I like the size of it. Yeah. All right, let's get into the guidebook. We're going to read for number 5 here, Shimmer. Okay, so we have the picture of the card on the side over here. We have upright meanings here, clinging to the past, trying to go forward in old patterns. And then reversed, repressing intuition and fearing change. It's not easy to let go of the outcome we've married in our minds. We've seen it so many times, imagined how it would look and feel and taste. To give up on it is a heartbreak on its own, so we might try to make it work. We tell ourselves that in the right light, the cage almost looks like a castle. Don't you like how I've decorated my despair? How I've accented my rage? Come sit down by my grief. Don't worry, it won't speak. Then we have more here. So upright. Oftentimes, when we know deep in our gut that something must change, our brain clings tighter to the old ways. We feel that so much is shifting already, and we may even be able to point to massive transformation or loss in our lives. So sometimes when we're in this space, there might be part of us that doesn't want to get swallowed whole, so it tries to build something new using the old rules. We look for the shimmers in our current life, the good things, the happy moments, the things we can feel and say, see, it isn't so bad. We see this a lot when people know they need to break up with their partner but are afraid. They may try to cling to the small changes they're making. I think most of us have heard a friend complain about the relationship for a long time, but find the smallest amount of hope to hold on to so they don't have to leave. Coming after the void, this card carries a feeble attempt to battle our destiny, one we likely know we will lose. But we are grieving our old life, so we try to hold on even if we know we're changing. When Shimmer finds us, it is the tough love we need. It is here to tell you to fall backward into this new experience. The old way is no longer available, and the sooner you accept that, the easier it will be to move forward in a genuine way. Okay, so then we have reversed. Shimmer reversed often finds us when we are doubled down on the hope to our detriment. This is making big decisions that can't be undone so you don't lose the thing you fear losing, which is often the same thing holding you back. A good example of this is the couple that chooses to have a baby to save the relationship. We know that never really works, but sometimes people fear the unknown so much that they're willing to try anything. When Shimmer Reverse comes up for you, it's a good time to detach and pause. Remind yourself you don't have to make a decision right now either way. You can pause and circle back when you feel ready. So the art. In Shimmer, we see the cracks have fully formed and this mask is falling apart. From within it, though, we see light streaming through. This illusion the light brings represents the hope we cling to. But the thing to remember here is that there is so much to hope for, but the mask needs to fall off first. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, no, this does not hold back. It definitely feels like it says what it means what it says, and like that is the message. And I really like that. Sometimes we need a deck that just like cuts to the quick, you know? And I love that this is a lot to do with the internal instead of just like, you know, external and trying to make it internal. I love that there's a journey here. I cannot wait to get to know this more because this just is it feels very deep and very, like there's a lot to it. And the more you use it and the more you get to know it, the more you're going to learn about yourself and like maybe work through some things. Definitely feels like a shadow work deck. And it feels like I don't want to say like very tough love, but there's that tough love there, but it's also very inviting, if that makes sense. Like it doesn't feel off-putting. It doesn't feel scary to work with. It doesn't feel like it's too harsh, but it's just enough to like, okay, let's wake up here. Let's figure it out. Let's move forward. And let's move through this energy. So I really like that. I love that it describes the art too, because to me, I'm always curious as to why, you know, maybe there's an iconography that was done in a specific way or an archetype that was used in a specific way. I love that. I love that it breaks it down even further. So very cool. I think that this is definitely a deck to kind of get into and look to if you're looking for more of a internal deck to work with. So this is definitely a very cool deck, a very different deck than normal. I think it's very unique, and I think this is definitely worth getting to know a lot better. So I would love to know what you guys think about this deck. Is this something you're interested in? Is this something that you're excited about? Were you in on the Kickstarter? Let me know all of your thoughts down below, and why don't you leave a moon emoji to let me know you made it this far. Thank you so much to Threads of Fate for sending this my way. I am so excited and so thankful. I cannot wait to get to know it a lot better. So, and thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.